Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, we're going to see how to change the phone number that you have associated with your Cash App or update the phone number associated with your Cash App. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Cash App, it's definitely one of the more popular peer-to-peer payment apps on the market. Basically what it is you just download the app. Once you download the app and then you set up a funding source, you can send and receive money from family and friends on your Cash App. Once you get the money in your Cash App, you can deposit it into your bank account, or you can spend it off your Cash App cash card if you elected to get one of those. But how do you change the phone number associated with your Cash App? That's what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. If you don't have that app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. All right, I went ahead and opened up the app, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, you can go ahead and request money from family and friends. You can also pay somebody if you owe them by this little button down here. But if you want to update the phone number associated with your Cash App, you want to click up here on the top right. It's this little person looking icon. Yours might have your person if you elected to put it there. I didn't, but either which way, you're going to click on the top right. And once you click there, it's going to bring down another drop down menu. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this screen, you can go ahead and invite friends to sign up for Cash App. You can check your QR code up here. But if you want to go ahead and update your phone number associated with your Cash App, you want to click right here on this top line. It's called Personal. Looks like it has a little person icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this screen, you can go ahead and see your name, your cashtag name, your phone number, the email associated. But if you want to update the phone number that's associated with your Cash App, you want to look for your phone number. So here's mine right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and click there. I'm going to click there now. All right, so once you click there, then this little pop-up happens. It says cancel or remove phone number. I'm going to go ahead and click remove phone number now. All right, so I went ahead and removed the phone number. Next, this little button pops up. It says add phone or email. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this drop-down menu happens. It says add mobile number or add email address. If you're going to update the phone number associated with your Cash App, you're going to click on the top line. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this menu happens. It's asking for the phone number that I would like to have associated with my Cash App. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that phone number in now. Off screen. All right, I went ahead and entered in that phone number. Next, I'm going to click this little green button down here on the bottom right called Next. I'm going to click there now. All right, next Cash App is saying that they sent a text message to verify that number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that code in here now. All right, I went ahead and entered in the verification code. Next, I'm going to click this green button called Next down here. I'm going to click there now. All right, and just a few seconds later, the screen pops up again, the personal screen. So as you can see right here, the new telephone number is listed right there. So that is how you update the phone number associated with your Cash App account. If you happen to know an easier way to change your phone number on Cash App, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But as far as I know, that is the easiest way to change your phone number on Cash App. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.